Hot take, your dream trip might be mid. So let's count down 7 overrated vacation destinations and the myths that keep them famous. I'll give quick fixes so your trip still slaps. 1. Times Square, New York. Myth. It's the heart of NYC. Reality. It's the heart of chain stores. Reality, costumed Elmos. Reality, an $8 water. Fix, hit West Village for cafes. Fix, Brooklyn for skyline views. Fix and catch a Broadway show without loitering under billboards. 2. Santorini, Greece. Myth, secret blue-domed paradise. Reality, it's a gorgeous postcard and shared with 10 cruise ships. Reality, sunset spots get elbow to elbow. Fix, go shoulder season. Fix, sleep in Pyrgos. Fix, ferry to Milos or Naxos for beaches without the selfie pileup. 3. Hollywood Walk of Fame, Los Angeles. Myth, glamour and movie magic. Reality, it's sidewalks. Reality, souvenir hawks. Reality, and sticky everything. Fix, do a studio tour. Fix, catch a show at the Hollywood Bowl. Fix, and hike Griffith for that movie view skyline. 4. Bali's Insta-famous swings. Myth, spiritual awakening, but make it viral. Reality, long lines for one photo. Reality, packaged authenticity. Reality, and traffic gridlock. Fix, wake up early for real temples. Fix, base in Sidemen or Amen. Fix, and take a cooking class with a local family. 5. Paris, in August. Myth, Paris is always a good idea. Reality, August is hot. Reality, packed. Reality, and half your favorite bistros are on holiday. Fix, go spring or late fall. Fix, picnic by Canal Saint Martin. Fix, and book Louvre night slots to dodge the tour bus wave. 6. Venice at midday. Myth, ride a gondola and live your Renaissance fantasy. Reality, midday is wall-to-wall groups. Reality, surge pricing. Reality, and 0 quiet corners. Fix, stay overnight. Fix, wander at dawn. Fix, explore Cannaregio and Giudecca. Fix, and take the Vaporetto like a local. 7. Dubai Ultimate Luxury. Myth, the world's peak glam. Reality, it can feel like a mall with a skyline. Reality, expensive. Reality, scorching. Reality, and curated to the max. Fix, time it for winter months. Fix, hit Old Dubai, Al Fahidi and Creek Abras. Fix, then day trip to the mountains or desert conservation areas. Bonus lightning round. Maldives honeymoon myth. Stunning, yes, but resorts lock you in. Mix it with Sri Lanka for culture and hikes. Phuket full moon vibes, party central, but the beach nap afterward hits different in Koh Yao or Railay. Cancun mega resorts, easy mode, but Valladolid and Bacalar deliver color and calm. The point isn't to dunk on these places, it's to dodge the myth. Find the moment and spend your time, your real luxury, on experiences that feel like you. Quick playbook, go off-peak, wake up early, pick a neighborhood over a landmark, learn one local greeting,